Hi, I'm Wyndham-Read, your online trainer, and today's workout is all about me toning your arms. So it's a 10-minute, no equipment arm workout. Now I've picked you the best arm exercises. These are all standing and I'm going to be doing it with you in real time. So what I would say, if you haven't already done a warm up, simply press pause, march on the spot, say 20 seconds, and when you're ready, I'm ready to start training you today. So here's a preview of the first move. We're going to do rolling arms, and this one we're going to do for a duration of 60 seconds. So when you're ready, you're just going to do those rolling arms. Now, if you want to, you can add a little bit of cardio, but just doing those heels coming up and down, and just travel the arms up and then you can lower them down. So we're keeping the arms bent, so it's just those rolling arms, and you can see that timer. So today I've got you the 10 best moves which require no equipment for your arms. And the great thing is I'm going to add a little bit of cardio, so we're also getting the heart rate up, so we're getting fit and strong while toning your arms. All right, that's good. Let's just keep that going. So you've got another 30 seconds. Now to make this one harder, just keep moving those arms, and the higher up you take them just makes that a little bit more challenging. And what I'm doing today is we're also working on endurance, because we're doing this for a duration of 60 seconds. So that's how we really strengthen through those muscles. All right, that's good. You've got last 10 seconds coming up. Keeping that going, that's good. And then I'm just going to preview you the next move, and 2 and 1. All right, well done. So the next move is, for this one, what we're going to be doing is you're going to start with your palms on top of each other, arms bent, and you're just going to extend both arms out to the side and alternate with a toe tap. And just be warned with this one, we see a cat go flying past in a minute. So with this, that toe tap, and just make sure that you're keeping those palms at chest height. Just extend the arms, that's good, and just keep that going. Well done. And just alternate, there she went, just alternate from one palm is on top, then the next time just switch over. All right, that's good. Let's just keep that going. Another 30 seconds. So this one here is a really lovely exercise for the arms, also really good for your posture as well. So extend and bend, and by adding in that leg movement then just means we're working a little bit through your lower body as well as just increasing that calorie burn on this workout. That's good. And let's just go another 10 seconds coming up from now. So it's a slight bend in the knee, just keep those arms going, and it's about now that they start to feel really challenged, but it's when they feel really challenged is when we get those results. 2 and 1. All right, well done. So let's get ready for move 3. Now this one here, just imagine we're pushing something up to the ceiling, and we've got your arms, we're creating a V shape, have your palms facing forwards, and just extend up. So this time now we're working still obviously through the arms, but we're using the shoulder and elbow joint, and continue with that toe tap if you want to. If you want to, you could do these without doing any of the cardio and just do them standing still, but I think it's quite fun while we're working the arms to still get as many other fitness and health benefits as well. All right, so push up, extend up. So this is move 3. We've got 7 more moves to go. And the reason why I've picked you these ones is these are also really good for mobility, upper body mobility. So not only are we toning, sculpting and strengthening your arms, we're also working on your flexibility and helping improve your posture. And let's just go last 15 seconds from now. Nice control. And remember, because we're doing 60 seconds, it's always towards the end of that 60 seconds, those kind of from 40 seconds onwards is where we get that real challenge. 2 and 1. All right, well done. So the next move coming up, for this one, you're going to extend both arms out straight. Your palms are pointing down, and we're just going to do circles. If you want to, you've got that option of doing the heel raise. Now the key thing here with this is try and keep those arms at shoulder height. And it's funny, isn't it? You'll always have one arm that is slightly higher than the other, because you've probably got more flexibility. You can see that my right side is a little bit lower. So if you can, it's always a really good idea when you're doing these exercises to do it in front of a mirror or a window somewhere where you can see your reflection, just to check your form. All right, that's good. And let's just keep that going. What we're going to do at the 30-second point now, just take them back into the opposite direction for me. And again, try not to let those arms drop. By now they feel really challenging, but remember, it's when they feel challenging, this is when we become fitter, when we become stronger. That's good. And let's just go for the last 10 seconds from now. So again, you've got that option of doing that slight heel raise on there, making it a slight arm and cardio combo, 2 and 1. All right, just release those arms. So for your next move, this time now, palms face forward, and just imagine you're just pushing something shut on there. So we're going to add that toe tap as well out to the side. So palms face forwards, and it's a really good idea to always just think about what you're doing, think about where you're working. So here we're working the back of the upper arms, we're also working through the pectoralis major, which is known as the chest muscle that crosses over through the shoulder joint. So it's a really lovely upper body move, this one. And what's a really clever thing to do with your mind is engage your muscles. So just imagine it is something really heavy you're pushing, and that actually makes those muscles work harder. All right, that's good. So just push that door, heavy door shut. We're just pushing it shut. And we've just got last 20 seconds coming up from now. So just extend that forwards and back. And again, you've got that option of doing that light cardio by using the lower body at the same time. And it's also really good here for your what we call motor skills and coordination. And let's just go last 5, take it 4, go 3, 2 and 1. All right, so the next move coming up, this time now, we're going to just have your arms bent in an L shape and then get them to join in the middle. So we take arms up and now add a little knee lift as well, which is an option. So this one here, we're now really working through the shoulder joint. That's good. And just focus on doing this with good posture. Keep your upper body nice and straight. And it's always a really good idea with any exercise to always keep those tummy muscles pulled in, because that engages your deepest core muscle, known as your transverse abdominis. And when that's fully engaged, it means it's supporting your spine, and it just really helps hold you in place. All right, that's good. So we've got last 30 seconds. And again with this one, make sure we don't let the arms drop. We're just going to keep those elbows in line with the shoulders. So we just open and close. And let's just go last 20 seconds. And 15 to go, doing really well. And we're flying through this workout. So today it's all about toning, sculpting through your arms, and also just getting a nice little light bit of cardio in at the same time. 3, let's go 2 and 1. All right, well done. So for the next move, the preview of this one is we're just going to do an overhead of press with this. So both arms up, palms face forward, and just do a tiny little rotation so the arms come up. And this one is a nice little toe tap, just point that foot in front. So this one here, again, if you think about it, we're working through the shoulder joint and we're also working through the elbows. Nice control, just extend up, and you will find the more frequently you do this workout, the better posture you have. You'll find that your balance, your flexibility, and also obviously you'll notice more tone and strength through your upper body. All right, that's good. And just keeping that going. Got less than 30 seconds to go. Doing really well. And 60 seconds is a long time. So if you're doing this and you're struggling and you reach that 40 seconds and it's just too much, just march it out, you know. And the whole thing is with fitness, it's all about progressing. So the next time you come back, you might find that you can take yourself to the 45-second mark. But each time, obviously, work to your ability, but it's always important that you challenge yourself. And let's go 2 and 1. All right, well done. So preview of the next move coming up. This one now, just imagine we've got a bow and arrow. So both arms are extended out in front, and you're just going to pull one arm back, then just switch. So from one side to the other. And just imagine here, again, imagine you're pulling through resistance. So keep that nice and controlled. This one here is really lovely for the front of the arms, the biceps, as well as working through the triceps. The arms stay straight, so you're holding the arms still at chest height, and extend back, and we're taking that to a toe tap back at the same time. That's good. So nice full range. And again with this one, it's really important to work through your fullest range. So this is really lovely for mobility. You know, mobility is such an important part of daily health. You know, the more mobilized we are, then the better that is for our joint health as well. All right, that's good. And this is where we don't need weights, just using body weight, which is still a weight, is perfect. And let's just go last 10 seconds from now, doing really well. We've nearly finished today's workout. Let's go last 4, take it 3, 2 and 1. Okay, so next move coming up, So for this one, we're going to have some fun. We're going to do double punches to then single punches. All right. So let's start with a single punch, single. Now take it double and double. Take it single, single, and double. I'm a bit all over the place, but you get the idea. So you're doing a double punch and then single, single. All right, that's good. So with this one here, this is very much cardio as well as working through the arms. So you'll find on this move that we increase your heart rate slightly, so you'll feel a little bit more out of breath. So we're taking that double, double, and then you go single, single. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. Keep a slight bend in the knee as you just tap that foot out to the side. Really good. That's it, just keeping that going, and really put some power in those punches. Feel those arms working, so extend. That's it. And let's just get ready for those last 10 seconds from now. Let's keep that going. All right, I'm going to count you down. Let's go last 7, take it 6 and 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Amazing, well done. So just march out. So this is our final move today. This one, you're going to extend your arms back. You have your palms facing in, so elbows are lifted, and then your palms facing behind, sorry, and just extend both arms back, and we'll work 30 seconds one side, then we're going to change to the other. So this one here, primarily what I'm doing is I'm really working through your tricep, back of your upper arm. This is an amazing exercise for this area. That's good. And keep those elbows lifted, just full extension. So you can see here, it's just one joint that we're working. We're just extending through the elbow joint. That's good. And let's just change legs now. So it's still the same upper body move. We're just changing the foot that we're tapping back. Keep those elbows lifted. It feels really challenging by now, but just keep going, doing really well. We've got less than 15 seconds now of today's workout. So last little bit, stick with me. Let's do this together. Doing really well. And I'm going to count you down for those last 5 seconds. Let's go 5, take it 4, 3, 2, and 1. Amazing. Just roll out those arms for me. Really well done. So well done. There is your high five. You've done it. What I want you to do now is just carry on marching until that timer stops on here, just to get your heart rate back down. And what you've done, you've really toned your arms, but we've also done some light cardio. So we've worked on your health as well. And what I would say at the end of the video, come and do the cool down stretch with me, and really well done for today's training. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.